Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Bank of America for card lock and unlock. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To register for card lock and unlock with Bank of America, begin by accessing the Bank of America website. Click on the sign in option located in the upper right corner of the home page. Enter your online ID and password to log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, click on Enroll to create a new one. Once logged in, navigate to the Account Services tab in the main menu. From the drop-down menu, select Manage Debit Card. You will see options related to card management. Look for the card lock feature and click on it. Read the information provided about card locking and unlocking. Click on the Enroll in Card Lock button if you haven't done so already. Follow the prompts to complete the enrollment process. Once enrolled, return to the card lock feature whenever you need to lock or unlock your card. To lock your card, simply select the lock option. Confirm your choice when prompted. To unlock, return to the same feature and click Unlock. Confirm your selection. You will receive a notification confirming the status of your card. Keep your login details secure to maintain your account's safety. For additional help, refer to the Bank of America support page or contact customer service. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.